This is Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors. I want to let you know about my new listing in the city of Compton at 4522 East Rosecrans Avenue, flat on the corner of Lime and Rosecrans Avenue. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's approximately 1,800 square feet. It's a fixer-upper. It has great character, I call it. As you can see, I'm zooming in. Here is another angle of the property off of the sidewalk, and soon we'll see an angle of the property from the side where you'll see an addition. It's approximately a 400 square foot den. And the next angle you'll see of the property is of the front property again. Right to the right hand side that is a bedroom right there. It's a rather large bedroom as well, and I believe it has 2 closets there. This is getting closer to the front porch. We're panning up, giving you an idea, walking up to the front porch. And the next angle you'll see, it's a side angle, and if you look down, you could see an additional length there of the property again, which is the den. I want you to get an idea of the size of this particular property. That's why I believe no one's taken advantage of it at this point. They don't realize that it's rather big. Here is the side angle, and again you could see that there's a lot of square footage there on this particular property. And this is again another angle from the side. I'm directly across the street. Nice property. Here is another angle. Alley access, that's the garage right to the left-hand side. And you can turn that into an ADU. And here is another angle. This angle is facing to the south. But give me a call. Tell your investor, tell your owner-occupant buyers about this property. 599 Compton.